Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at can you notarize for family members? And these are things that you should know. So when somebody needs a notary, who do they call first? Usually it's someone they know, often a family member. And this might seem convenient and a way to get a trustworthy person to complete your document, but notarizing for family members can also present serious legal and ethical issues. Why is it risky to notarize for family members? Notarizing for family can create a conflict of interest, lead to the notarization being challenged or invalidated, and raise suspicion of fraud or undue influence, especially if the notary benefits from the transaction in any way. Always check your state's notary regulations. Before notarizing for a family member, review your state's notary laws. Confirm what's permitted or restricted where you're commissioned. And remember, not all states treat family notarizations the same, so be informed. Some states prohibit notarizing for family members, some restrict it to specific relatives, and others allow it but strongly discourage the practice. When you're in doubt, avoid it. If you do choose to proceed, make sure to put these things in place. Confirm it's legally permitted in your state to notarize for family members. Follow all the rules for ID verification, personal appearance, and record keeping. Consider if you benefit from the resulting notarial act in any way, and if you do, don't notarize. Refer your relative to another notary if a conflict exists. So here's the key takeaway. Avoid conflicts and protect your notary commission. Notarizing for family can put your impartiality and credibility at risk. So when in doubt, refer your family member to another notary. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.